Hey 30-2s, here is a really quick video for you on how to do regressions with sinusoidal functions. Now, you've done this before, so what I want you to do is go grab your calculator, and what we're going to do is we're going to put some data in and see how this looks with a sine wave. So here's what we're going to do. Below is the table that shows the average temperature of a town over the course of a year. So we're going to put this into our calculator and we're going to draw this. So what you're going to do now is you're going to grab your calculator and put this in. Now, in case you forget how to put that in, I will show you. So you grab your calculator and you hit your stat button, and then you hit your edit button, and now you can put your data in. Hit pause, go and put all this data in, and make sure that we get the same equation. So there it all is. See you in a moment. Okay, you've put all this data into your calculator. So what do we do from here? Well, remember what we're going to do is we're going to now hit our stat button. And we go over to calc. Now this is a sine regression. So I'm actually going to hit my up arrow. And you see right there, there's sine regression. Hit enter. And of course we want to store this thing. So I'll store it by going vars beside my clear button. Over to yvars, function, pick any one you want. I'll pick y3 for giggles. No, doesn't matter. And there's our equation. Now, what we're going to do here is always use that full regression equation. There it is. I've got it in y3 and in y9. I've clearly done this before. And so now all we want to do is change our window settings. Now, go to window and, okay, x min. Well, x is time in months. Well, lowest amount of time ever is 0. It's over the course of a year, so let's make y max 12. Scale of 1 is probably good. Okay, y was our temperature. Well, I think the lowest temperature we put in was -3, so I'll go to -6. And the highest, maybe I'll go to 30. And I'll make my y scale rather big. And that's it. Let's hit graph. We should see ourselves a nice sine wave. And look at that. Okay, and from here, friends, now you can answer the standard questions. So what would the temperature be on the 7th month? Well, then I would go second, calc, value, and on the 7th month, enter. Average temperature at that point would be 22.8 degrees. And what if it said, when was the temperature 20 degrees for the first time? Well, what I would do is I would let y equal 20 and hit graph. And when was it 20 for the first time? Well, that's where those two lines intersect. Second calc intersect, and first curve, second curve, yes. There it is. Okay, so the same types of questions you did in polynomials, just now with a sine wave. Just make sure, my friends, that you are always in radian mode. You are never in degree mode. Okay, that's it, friends. I will see you next time.